it's very likely you're like me, and when you were watching a million videos on YouTube about how to create a digital product, you were probably stumped on where to start. It can be extremely overwhelming, and I think the worst part about it is knowing where to begin, how to design these products, and of course, how to sell them. I've been constantly searching for an alternative to Canva. I love the tool, but it's always good to know that there's other options out there that provide maybe even more easy to edit templates, and maybe just something new that you're wanting to develop yourself and then sell on Etsy. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a brand new tool, and I've been testing out this tool. I'm actually loving it, and I've been creating digital products using it myself. And to be honest, I love how easy it is, because I not only just make YouTube videos, but I have 2 businesses that I work on full time. So if I can make it a little bit easier on myself, and the same for you, if you can make it a little bit easier on yourself, it's definitely a great idea to test some of these tools out, because you can make these products in under 5 minutes and then turn around and sell them. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tool called Kittl that I haven't even talked about on this channel yet. And I'm going to create a digital product with you guys. And of course, as always, at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you keywords that you can use to then turn around and sell these products on your various digital platforms. If you're interested in learning about Kittl, designing a super easy planner template with me today, and then turning around and making passive income, this video is definitely for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're just going to go ahead and create a regular weekly planner, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using Kittl. So let's get into it, and we'll kind of do the whole process together. So I have already gone ahead and created a Kittl account, but if you are new to Kittl and you haven't maybe used it before, you can definitely try Kittl for free, and you can sign up. Just like Canva, they have pro features, and you obviously get more with pro features, so there are significant benefits to that. And I personally always sign up for pro, because I just feel like it gives you more, and then it helps you sell more when you have more options. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in, and then we are going to go through the process. So what I love about Kittl is right away when you're on here, it will show you all different products that you can create. There's t-shirts, logos, hoodies, bags, art prints, hats, and so much more. I love this because it kind of gives me the feeling of almost like a Canva and Printify combined. And these are tools that I use frequently. And again, you can see all these amazing templates for both social media, for creating digital products, and even print on demand. So I already said we're going to do a planner today, and I'm excited to do that because I haven't done it yet. At the top here, you can discover different templates. There's merchandise, marketing, stationery, business. So I am going to hit templates and just kind of see the breakdown here as well. You can even make album covers. Like, how cool is that? And there's invitations, menus, and things like that. Another awesome component to Kittl is different features. So there's editor, there's AI tools, infinite canvas, which is amazing. You can have like a whole bunch of different artboards in one canvas. There's themes coming soon, and there's even mock-ups directly on here, which I love. If you're making a print-on-demand product, you can actually see it directly on here. There's asset libraries, and there's so much more. So I'm going to go into the search bar, and I'm going to type in planner. I want to see what comes up and how quickly we can actually make a planner. This is incredible already. Look at these cute designs, a beige. There's this nice blue color that I saw before, so I'm kind of interested in that one. Here's a self-care checklist, which I think is so awesome, especially for this time of year. And there's just simple daily planners too. And what I love about these is it's already there, and all you have to do is just add some elements to it to make it your own. And there you have it. So I'm gonna pick one, because the whole point of this is to show how quickly we can actually do this. And I wanna pick one that kind of speaks to me, that's simple, but is also a little bit unique. So let me pick one, and then I'll show you which one I picked. So I just saw this weekly planner template, and they've put classic neutrals weekly planner card design template. I think it's so classic and it's definitely my style. And even at the bottom here, you can see different tags that were used. So you can see classy minimalist, contemporary, planner, minimalist schedule. So when creators are posting on here, you can actually search for key terms that interest you, and then you can use this template. So you can either bookmark this for later, you can give it a heart, and then you could just use the design. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this design. I think it's incredible, and it is one that I feel like we can add some cool elements to. You can see a whole bunch of different templates. So these are templates themselves, and along the side, it's similar to other design tools, and you can really pick one that you like. There's different logos you can create. There's designs for bags. Like, it's truly incredible how much you can really do with this tool. So I am going to go ahead and go into the elements section. We want to keep this classic to really like blend with the design, but you can look up ornaments, illustrations, abstract, just to add something nice and extra to this design to really make it stand out and add your own little taste to it. So I am going to just kind of flip through a little bit, see which ones I like. There's cute little stationery elements, which I love. So I'm going to look at those because I feel like we could add something cute here just to kind of maybe a little bubble to break up some of these little days on the planner. We can add a whole bunch of different ones. And as you can see, the ones with the crown here, these are pro elements. So you really do get more with pro. If you want to just test it out, you can try whichever one, but pro is definitely the best option just because you get more. So I'm just going to go up here back to kind of where some of these free elements were for the purpose of this video, and I'm going to select this cloud. I think it's really cute, and what you can do is like you can add it into the corner here where notes is. Maybe there's just a little blurb they want to add. You can go ahead and change the colors. You can make it more transparent. You can add a border. And actually, I kind of like the border look with it. It makes it kind of pop. And then you can really just move everything around and even add a shadow right here. I just love how everything is so easy to use in design. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the shadow color to like a gold to kind of match the document. Look at that. You can do whatever you want. You can take the shadow out if you see afterwards, like, maybe I don't want it. You can just quickly remove it by hitting the button right there. So there's one element I'm adding to this. I want to see some simple components because this is a simple design, so I don't want to make it too crazy. You can even add a little something up top here, maybe a cute little illustration, little emojis here, which I think I might put in the top corner. Maybe some hearts. And what I love is it's so simple. I'm going to make it blend with the beige design. So I'm going to add in that color and I'm just going to drag it to make it smaller. And I'm going to put it up here. So that is literally as easy as this tool is. You can add abstract pieces and various designs, little stains, wavy grids, clouds, whatever you want. But I really am loving how simple this tool is to use. And what I also love is at the top, there's a mock-up feature. You can share this design or you can just go ahead and download it. There's a ton of tools within. You can add your own text to make it more different. It even gives you little text templates. And if you're someone that just doesn't love the design process, or maybe you're new to the design process, or you're like me and you are busy, this is the best tool for you to use. I just love how there's so many different elements that are related to the planner, and you can even add trending photos into your designs. And what I really love about Kittl is that there's a texture feature. So you can have so many textures to your designs just to elevate them that much more and match the theme of what you're going with. I love grainy textures. I use them all the time, typically when I'm designing products, but this is just to show you how many opportunities are out there when it comes to making a digital planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this. You can select how you want to download it. For the sake of this, I want it to be a PDF because you're going to sell it as a PDF so they can print it. You can even remove the background and you can add it to different artboards. but this is everything you need. And I love right here, it tells you the exact measurements and pixels and resolution, everything like that you need. You can even toggle off optimize the quality, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to download this as a standard PDF. And this is exactly what it would look like and what you can go and turn around and sell on Etsy. Hope you found this video helpful. I think this tool is absolutely amazing. I love playing around with the fonts on here. I love playing around with the colors and just these elements. I find everything is right there where you need it, and it makes it so much easier for you to design fun templates for your clients and even full print products as well. The breakdown of elements makes it super easy. The breakdown of the fonts makes it super easy, and the fun little added features that you can put in, like textures, just makes everything so much easier when you're designing. So I am going to provide keywords for this weekly planner on the screen like I always do in my videos, and you can use this to then make your own digital product. You can try Kittl for free using the link that I'm going to put in the description, and you can also get 25% off a monthly or yearly Expert and Pro subscription using the code LaraYT, and then I'll also put that in the description below. I would definitely take advantage of the Pro account because it will allow you to create way more designs and just have more opportunities to create high quality products with Kittl as well. So I wanted to take a second to thank Kittl for sponsoring today's video. I love this tool, and I really think that you guys will love it too. And I never talk about a product that I don't think you would love. And this is a product that I love because I'm always looking for alternatives to various design platforms. So I think that you should too, because the more you know is the more products you can create. So I wanted to thank Kittl again for sponsoring this video, and I thank you guys for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you very soon.